Okay, so yeah, and good morning, and welcome to our subject applications development and emerging technology. And before we continue, let's have an attendance. IT18 section 1. So today is October 20. May bagyo daw. Walang pasok. Okay, so attendance Kasuga.
Present, sir.
Present. Eugenio. Eugenio. Absent. Sir, present. Bili lang ako ng ulam. Bibili lang daw siya ng ulam. Dapat bumili na siya kanina. Okay. Present. Florendo.
Sir, present.
Good. Gallegos.
Sir, present.
Legaspi.
Sir, present.
Macabitas.
Sure, present.
Madriaga.
Sir, present.
Mapalo.
Sir.
Mikwa.
Present, sir.
Ortega.
Yes. Sir po.
Padua. 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 Wala. Pascua.
Sir, nag-chat.
Present, sir. Sir, nag-chat si Jeremiah.
Ah. Wala siyang audio. Pascua.
Present, sir.
Samoranos.
Present, sir.
May manok. Alag na. Alag na?
Sir, present. Sir, present.
Delay. Kaasi.
Sir, present. Present, sir.
Cacho.
Present, sir.
Manalo.
Present, sir.
Lumos.
Present, sir.
Orfiano. Orfiano. Orfiano.
Present, sir. Present po.
Perez.
Present po.
Okay, so lahat ay present. Bakit nung last week, absent Legaspi, Mapalo, and Padua? Okay, so anyway, so in our Google Classroom, application development, okay, so week 5, nag-post na ako ng mga activities natin, week 5, so pati yung Google Meet natin, and then for the activities, we have the database connection, mobile application, isa pa lang ang nag-turn in, but anyway, the deadline is October 25. Yan, so yung create module, read module, update module, and delete module. Screenshot. Create a Word document, then copy and paste the codes and output. Okay, so example output, the form and database. Kasama na rin yung database niya of your final project. So, wala na. Okay, and then for the examination, this week is the examination week. So, we will be having 2 exam. So, yung una is for the laboratory, but for the laboratory is just only fill in the blanks. Yan, fill in the blanks lang naman siya. So we have the following information, yung host, username, database, table, columns, ports, and then you will need to analyze the codes. Yeah, analyze nyo lang yung code, and then yun, fill in the blanks. Complete the code. Pag nakumpleto nyo na, upload in our Google Classroom dito. And then the deadline, supposedly sana ang examination is good for 1 day. But then again, baka magreklamo yung mga estudyante na wala silang internet, wala silang kuryente, and etc. So, until October 25. Okay? So, yung exam natin. So, i-assign ko na. So, that is for the laboratory. Just only fill in the blanks. Yung code. Then, next is for the lecture naman. Edit ko na lang. So, this is for the laboratory. And then, next is for the lecture. So, i-assign ko na lang ulit. But for the lecture, we'll be using the Google form. So, gagamit na tayo ng Google form. Okay, so these are the parts of the exam. First, we have the essay. So, you have to discuss the following in your own words and understanding or based on your experience. Kasi binigay ko na to na quiz ninyo. So, for example, what is phone gap in your own understanding and based on your experience? What are the most widely used in mobile operating system? What are the offline apps? And what are the steps on how to create mobile application using phone gap? Take note that we have a lot of methods to create a mobile application using phone gap. Pwede yung online, and then you can use also the offline. So, either way, pwede. Accepted yon. And then, for the part 2, that is fill in the blanks. Yan. So, you just need to, copy and complete the paragraph below and paste your answer. So, ika-copy paste nyo lang to. Okay? So, pag na-copy nyo na, and then i-paste nyo na lang dito sa answer ninyo. Yung kompleto na. So, it should be required. And then, that is number 1. Number 2, same. Okay, so copy and paste. Just complete the code. Complete the paragraph. And then, the third one, same. Copy and paste nyo lang, and then complete the paragraph. That is your exam. Okay, so yun lang. Any question? Any question, class? Nagla-lunch break na ata kayo, ang aga-aga. Wala kayong question, wala kayong problem about our topic, or about our subject, about our final project, and etc. Elective 4. Mamaya ako sasagot sa Google Chat. Yun. Wala pa, sir. Wala pa. Okay, so i-assume ko na wala kayong problema sa, most especially dun sa final project ninyo. Kasi sa section 2, nagkakaroon sila ng problema about dun sa database connection nila. Yung phone gap, hindi nila makonect dun sa database. Anyway, naka-upload naman na yung demonstration ko doon sa Google Classroom natin. andito naman yung data, yung demonstration kung paano. Yan. Okay, so yun lang. Sigurado wala kayong question or gutom na kayo, gusto nyo nang kumain. Ito, sir, dapat nakakonect yung mobile database sa web database. Yes, iisa lang ang database ng mobile application at saka ng web application. Not unless you have a reason kung bakit sila separate. Ayun. Kasi normally, ang system, ang mobile application is for the client. Ibig sabihin, sila yung magbibigay ng data. And then yung server, sila lang yung magdi-display ng information or data. For example, yung list ng list of students. So magre-register si student using the mobile application, and then sa web application naman, doon nila ipapakita yung list of students. Yun yung example niya. Sir, kasi ang hirap maghanap ng paraan para paganahin yung NoSQL sa phone gap. Yeah. Kung magno-NoSQL kayo, para sa akin para mas madali kasi pag magno-NoSQL kayo, you will be using syempre, ang widely known na NoSQL is the Firebase. Marami tayong mga references kasi kung lang siya web, HTML, and Firebase. Kung magpa-Firebase kayo, ayan, marami na kasi dito. So, yung iba pala sa inyo is magpa-Firebase, magno-NoSQL na. So, online siya. By the way, ang Firebase is online, wala siyang offline na. Kasi yung database na ginagamit niya is online. Sir, yung deadline po ba ng database connection and CRUD is similar po ba sa IT18? Yeah. Anyway, pareho lang. Pag natapos nyo naman yung both, basically, pag natapos nyo yung web kasi, parang tapos nyo rin yung mobile application niya. Kasi gagawan nyo na lang siya ng APK. At unless magkaiba sila ng features, ng form, nagsiseparate kayo. But, dito sa Application Development and Emerging Technology, the due date will be on October 25 and that will be dami nyo ng deadline. Grabe. Wait lang. Check ko lang yung IT17 natin. So, IT17 Section 1. So, the deadline of our CRUD, November 1. So, minove ko na kasi kawawa naman kayo. Ang dami nyo nang gagawin. Okay, so, I'll be moving na rin ito. So, i-move ka na lang siya ng November 1. Kawawa naman kayo. Ang dami nyo nang gagawin. Yan. So, i-move ko na lang lahat ng November 1. Sakto. Holiday. Sunday yun. Create module. Extend ko na lang ng November 1. And then, last, yung database connection. So, November 1 na rin. Save. Okay, so yun, i-move na natin ng November 1. So, yung IT18 and IT17, same na sila sa November 1 na. And that will be next week. Okay, so next week na yung deadline. But for the prelim examination, the due date will be this coming Sunday. Okay? Yun. So for the prelim exam, ito yung unahin ninyo kasi pag hindi na kayo nakapag-exam dito, magbibigay na kayo ng explanation letter bakit hindi kayo nakapag-exam. So, stricto kami dun sa examination. And we will not allow you to take the exam if in case na hindi nyo na-meet yung deadline, not unless you will provide us an explanation letter or valid reason. Ayun lang. Ano pa? So, November 1 na lang parehas, please. November 1 na lahat yung IT17 and IT18 natin. Sir Job lang malakas. Sana all Sir Job. Thank you, sir. Yun, kasi kawawa naman kayo. Pero please, kung matatapos yun naman na mas maaga, mas okay yun. Lalo na yung project ninyo. Pag natapos yun na ng midterm, pwede nyo, sabihin nyo na, pwede nyo na siyang i-present. So, para libre na kayo ng finals. Yun lang.
Pag ganun, sir, hindi na kayo magpapadagdag ng mga features.
Kasi sa midterm kasi magkakaroon tayo ng kwan. Pag ready na kayong mag-present, sabihin nyo na lang. And then, ipe-present nyo kasi yun. And then, magbibigay kami ng suggestion. And then, yun kasi mangyari. Sa midterm, mag-present kayo. And then, after ng presentation, meron kaming sa mga suggestion. And then yun, gagawin nyo or ilalagay nyo dun sa system ninyo. And dun, so makikita na namin yun sa final presentation ninyo. Yun lang. Ano pang question? May question pa? Okay, so if you don't have any question, kasi tahimik naman na kayo, so yung next meeting natin will be Wednesday. So bukas, naibigay ko naman na sa inyo yung exam, so no need na mag-Google Meet tayo. Magsisynchronous tayo sa Wednesday. So hindi na kailangan mag-Google Meet bukas. Kasi naibigay ko na. But if in case that you have any question regarding our topic or our subject, then open naman yung Google Chat natin. So pag nakita nyo na naka-online, so pwede. Okay, yun. Any question? Wala na?
Pero sa system integration, mag-class pa tayo bukas.
System integration. Okay, so tignan natin yung system integration. Section 1. Okay, so meron naman na tayo sa lecture. And then, for the laboratory, sige, ako na lang. Para minsan na, para hindi na tayo mag-meet bukas ng IT17. IT17. Okay. Okay, so for the IT17, you just need to upload anything about your project. Okay. So parang ganun din kasi nasaan na yun? Ito. Pag natapos nyo yung delete module, update module, read module, create module, database module, and even the mockup design, pag natapos nyo lahat yan, then upload. Upload your final project. Your project. Upload your complete project. Dapat meron siyang database connection. So, muna siyang create, read, update, and delete. Okay. So, i-move ko na rin pala to kasi ano, November 1 assign. Okay, so yun lang. Yun. So, ulitin ko ulit sa System Integration and Architecture IT17, your lecture. Naibigay ko naman na dito and na-discuss ko na rin yan kahapon. And then, for the laboratory naman, due date of the laboratory exam will be November 1. You just upload the complete project, database connection, create, read, update, and delete module. Yun lang. Any question? Na-post ko na. Wala na ba? Oh, tahimik na kayo. So, ibig sabihin, okay na. Okay, so ulitin ko ulit yung attendance. Baka merong pumasok. So, attendance. Present naman lahat. Good. Okay, so yun lang. So, if you don't have any questions, so see you next week na. Okay? Bye, sir. Sabi niya. Nagmamadali. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, so see you next week. Bye. Wala talaga. Okay, sige, bye.